folks, welcome back. We know you're awesome. If you've sent me a photo of your rat bike, thank you. Please keep sending them in, folks. The more the better. Okay, time for some work. And I want to start with a good look through the wiring. Well, let's see what other gremlins are lurking in the bike. Keep watching. Well, I can see a few faults before I've even touched it. That's for the battery. Then there are a couple of wires that are broken. Both of them are cracked and split. It does look a bit black, almost like it's been burnt. And I've got a wire sticking out the back for no reason. So basically I'm just going through everything. I'll check it, I'll clean it, and we'll see what else is needing fixed. Now look at that. There's a wire there that has been cut from the coil. So that's not good. Oh look, there's a second one. I can see what's happened. It's broken. Those two wires are meant to be together. It's like there's a piece of wire missing from the middle. And that'll be why there was no spark from this lead. That one's good. Connections aren't too bad. Well, these ones anyway. That one's good. Yeah, the coil on this side, it seems to be fine. And the wiring up top anyway, it's good. Put them out the road. Negative's good. Way! Oh, I'm glad to see that. And there. It's a connection. I know that's for a flasher unit, so that is good. I'm glad that's not been hacked off. And that's another problem. And it's cut right through. Oh dear. Yeah, I think this poor bike has had a hard life. Right, another one on the list. Things to fix. I am glad to see that though, folks. I'd like to put the indicators back on. Well, apart from 3 damaged wires, it's not too bad in here. Oh, and a broken positive lead. Right, I'm going to get that coil off and take a proper look. And there you go, folks, you can see the damage better now, and I will need a replacement coil. Yeah, that's not looking good. The other end is burnt too. Well, we'll see what happens. Lots more work yet. So next time I'll do the front and the back end. Thanks for watching, folks, and for all your amazing support. Take care, have fun, and ride safe.